Hi everyone, you have heard the buzzword like zero shot, few shot, chain of thought, but let's be real, as a developer, just knowing the name doesn't help. What you really want to know is when do I use which. So here's a twist, instead of throwing definition at you, let's take a simple project, a logging system, and walk through it step by step. At every stage, you will pick the right type of prompting. That's why you will see how it actually makes coding faster and debugging easier. Okay, quick rundown of the main types of prompting, no boring theory, just one line example. So here we have zero shot and you can exactly see what it do. Then few shot, chain of thought, role based persona, QA prompting and reflection, or self consistency. Why knowing the each type of prompting matter? Because using same prompt everywhere is like fixing every problem with just a hammer. Knowing which tool to pull out makes you faster and sharper. So in any project, we go through the stages like idea, planning, decision, build, then debug, optimize, docs, and overview. Now let's apply prompting types in each phase and watch how smooth it gets. So here we use ChatGPT and one by one we apply the project strategies. So first we have idea and we go through zero shot and ask generate three simple login system ideas. So here it gives us a brief response. Next, you can see we have planning and we apply few shot strategy here because in planning few shot, giving some examples would be a better approach. Then we have decision. In decision, we go with the chain of thought strategy and ask about what we want in our login system. At the next step that is build. So here in this part, the actual part of coding, the code generation begins. And for that, we use the role-based prompt engineering type like act as a senior developer or a coder and then go with the approach of the coding we want. So the next step that is debug, we will go to find out the potential errors in our code. So we apply the reflection type of prompting there. After to optimize our code, we will go with the self-consistency to provide the best, better ways. And then after completing the project, you have to go through the documentation phase and you will write a README file for your document. Then we have review, like critic prompting. Review my project like a code reviewer or an expert. See that? So it is that much simple. Instead of random trial and errors, you are using prompt like tools and tools from a toolkit exactly when you need them. So here's the big secret. You don't need to memorize every definition of prompting type. Just map prompt type with its project stage. So next time when you are coding, ask yourself, what stage am I in? And what prompt type fits best here? That's how you go from just copy pasting prompt to actually building smarter with the use of artificial intelligence.